Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Heartland Trails. This is a townhome community. They just opened up 2 weeks ago and this is owned by the Horton. And today we are going to check this 1410 plan. This is a 2-story home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And this is the courtyard right here. And this is a covered entry. So welcome to the 1410. As you see here, there's a video doorbell and a smart lock here by the door. And as soon as you walk in, you will see this nice open floor, the living room. Everything that you see here is pretty much standard with the house. The only thing that doesn't come with it is the accent wall, but the cabinets and the color scheme right here is a standard. Right here, this is a quartz countertop. Also, they have an electric stove, microwave. The refrigerator comes with the house. I'm going to show you guys the entry right here. And this is the door leading to the 2-car garage, but right now they're using it as an office. And in the first floor, there is a powder room right here. And right here underneath the stairs, there is a storage. Okay, and now I'm going to show you guys the bedroom upstairs. There is 3-bedroom and 2 bathroom as well as the laundry area. This is the loft area right here. It's a nice space. Right this side, this is your washer and dryer. This is also included when you purchase the house. And next to it, there is a linen closet. And right here, this is your shared bathroom. Right across it, there is a first bedroom with the standard closet inside. And then there's another bedroom on this side right here with the standard closet. And now I'm going to show you guys a master bedroom. This is a nice space, lots of I love these open windows. You can see your community from here. They're actually building more houses. And right here, this is your primary bath, standard shower area. And on this side, this is your walk-in closet. It's a decent size. have your smart paneling inside the closet. Again, you guys, this is 1410 plan. If you are interested and if you are in the market for a new build, this one is priced at $356,000. 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And if you are interested of owning one of the homes in DR Horton, Heartland Trails, you can contact me at 310-848-5693. They are having an incentive which is $7,500 towards the closing cost, and they also have low rates which is 4.99 for FHA, 5.50 for the conventional. If you are interested, you can contact me and I am going to tour with you. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. And thank you for watching.